Welcome! Today we're going to see how you take off the inner door panel of a Crown Victoria or Ford Grand Marquis. A few tools you'll need: 7mm socket, ratchet and an extension, flathead screwdriver or prying tool, a T20 torque bit or 5/16 Allen key. In this frame we see where the screws are located. They have to be removed. You also have to remove the switch cover as well as the triangular plastic piece up in the top left corner of the image that just gets popped off. All these things have to be removed before the inner door panel will come off of the door. Here we just have a close-up of one of the 7mm screws. Here we see the location of the T20 torque screw after you pop off that plastic cover, and the hidden 7mm screw after you pop off the switch plate. So once you have everything out, here's your little pile of stuff. A few screws, and you're just going to put them back together when you're done in reverse order. So at this point, when you want to remove the door panel, you're going to use two hands and kind of push up in the areas indicated here. The panel comes up about an inch, and then once you feel it release, you kind of pull it away from the bottom edge, and then it just comes off the door frame. After the door panel has been removed, you have access to your speaker. If you pull away this black water barrier, you can get inside for the mirror or the window regulator. Do whatever you need to do. This is a close-up of my speaker. It uses 4mm alts. Yours might be different, but if you want to change your speakers, now you can. The thing you might want to do is you could put sound deadening material on either the inside of your door panel like I did, or actually on the inside of the door once you pull away that black membrane. Makes the ride quieter. And once you've done what you needed to do, just put everything back together in reverse order, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Please ask any questions below, and share and like as you see fit. Take care.